What's up, Anchor coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Anchor coin. What's the current price of Anchor coin? What's the price in the Anchor coin? Must watch this video, all Anchor coin holders, my friends, because in this video I'm talking about the urgent update. Never miss, and please my friends, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Thanks for subscribing my channel. At this time, my friends, if we look the latest price of the Anchor coin, so 0.07 USD dollar is the latest price of the Anchor coin. And if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Anchor coin, so 0.0000206 USD dollar, sorry, BTC price of the Anchor coin, that is the Bitcoin price of the Anchor. My friends, if we look the more updates of the Anchor coin, so the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Anchor is present here, my friends. My friends, the price update of the Anchor coin is completely going wrong. Last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 7 day price since occurring in the Anchor coin is negative. Completely fast down occurs in this price, my friends. So now in this time, people ask me questions about Anchor coin, that when will the price pump and when will we get profit from the Anchor coin. So my friends, don't be disappointed and don't lose hope. I hope very soon you will get a good amount of profit from the Anchor coin. Anchor coin is not a Bitcoin. You can see here now in a previous time the change occurred in the Anchor coin is good, but now it's a falling time, my friends. As I told you, my friends, in my every video, that after a falls there is a jump. You can see here in the previous time they take a jump, and now at this time they falls down, and my prediction is tell us that now in the future they will again take a pump, my friends, and this month they will absolutely take a good jump, my friends. That is my prediction about Anchor coin, that they will take a pump in this month. That is my prediction. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Anchor coin? Please also share in the comment box, and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.